Now we'll take the first garden walk. I want to show you what I've got going on right now. It's not a whole lot, but I'm excited for what I've got. And here's my little tomato that you just saw me put in, so I thought I'd show you that first. And then here's the far end of the garden, right underneath this particular bird feeder. And right there, I've got a Tixie coreopsis growing. I just really love those bright little yellow flowers. They are perennials. They'll come back every year. And then around the edge of the rock bed, I planted some moss roses, and they're called Happy Hour Banana, and they should be a nice yellow. And then right in front of the Tixie coreopsis is a blanket flower. I just love yellow and orange flowers, so I tend to put a lot of those in my garden. And this one is another coreopsis. It'll be a little bit taller, but again, bright yellow blooms, and I can't wait till they start to bloom. Not sure what's going in that pot right there. I just know I want a pot of something sitting there, so I'm placing the pot as a placeholder. And then behind that, you see some Laxinia kale growing. I've got 3 of those. 1, 2, 3 kale. And then next to those are collards. So I've got a row of about 5 collard greens growing right there. Another tomato plant with that cute little yellow boot just sitting there in the garden. Something that Chippy can kind of crawl in and out and play upon. Another pot, not sure what's going to go in there. It's just serving as a placeholder. I've got some garden sage back there in the corner, and it came back nicely this year. Look how vigorous it looks. And there's a tiny little stevia plant peeking out from behind it. And then I've got some pineapple sage growing right there. Over here is another garden sage, and this one came back from last year. So it's a little woody, but it's got some nice greenery growing on top. And right here you can see I've got 3 eggplants growing, and we'll see how they do. And then some basil, so hopefully they'll continue to grow nicely. And behind the basil are peppers. I've got some banana peppers, some green peppers, red peppers, and yellow peppers growing back there. And this lemon balm right here comes back every year, and it's just serving as a little hedge right there next to the water hose to protect that collard green that's growing right there. So this is what this end of the garden is looking like right now. So right here I've just got a little bit of a vining black-eyed Susan. It was just pretty, so right now it's just sitting there. I don't know where else it's going to go, but we'll see. And then here's my chamomile growing nicely. Some rosemary is growing nicely. Here's my container herb garden. And then there's some mint, oregano, more lemon balm, my fairy herb garden, more mint, and more lemon balm. I'm pretty pleased with what I've got going on right now. It's just the beginning. I'm not going to overdo it because of course I can only manage so much, but I will be putting out a few more things. So please stop back and check out another morning garden walk. And don't forget to plant a container garden of your own, be it herbs, a patio pot of tomatoes, or flowers. You get to decide. Just do something to play in the dirt, just to kind of experience nature's bounty. And be sure to check out our sponsor, Coldest Water, in the description box below. They have some really cool giveaways every week, and you don't want to miss out on them. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out another of my garden walks. And I will see you next time.